Patricia, your Miss Universe Philippines in Manila City 2025, and I'll be your host for today. Here to take you through a journey in the world of Samsung's latest AI-powered digital appliances. We're so thrilled to have all of you here, most especially our media friends and esteemed partners. Get ready because we have an unforgettable afternoon ahead. Today we get to witness the all-new bespoke AI appliances. From cooking, cleaning, cooling to fresh storage solutions, these groundbreaking appliances embody Samsung's continued commitment to create an AI home, offering a more secure and intuitive user experience through advanced AI features and a wider range of screen-enabled appliances that not only enhances your everyday experiences, but also enables energy savings and personalized care. At the core of bespoke AI appliances is Samsung's unwavering dedication to AI-driven connectivity, designed to adapt to diverse lifestyles. There are three core pillars, which are easy to use, care and savings ensure that every interaction with your appliance is effortless, thoughtful, and efficient. Plus, there's the cutting-edge innovation called SmartThings that connects your appliances and devices, giving you ultimate control and convenience at your fingertips. Today, we're not just going to be talking about innovation, we're going to experience it firsthand. Plus, more surprises are in store for everyone. The latest bespoke AI lineup is here, and it's redefining the future of smart living. As you can see, the Grand Sing Imperial Hotel has been completely transformed to make you visualize the future of your home, or better yet, just like you're in an AI-powered home. And later on, feel free to explore the beautiful bespoke zones here at our venue, get hands-on with the incredible Samsung appliances, and immerse yourself in the future of smart living. And feel at home to snap a lot of photos and take a lot of videos from today's event. Share your experience, feel free to tag us, and let's make today one for the books. Let us officially get things started. To officially kick things off and welcome us all to today's exclusive preview, let's give a warm round of applause to Samsung's Digital Appliances Regional Sales Head, Javi Aquilme.
Mayang Naga, Iloilo. So, great Samsung morning, everyone. We would like to welcome everyone for this bespoke unveiling, and to our valued partners, dealer, to our guests and visitors, to our members of the media, good morning. Now, actually, we are very excited for this event because usually when we do our unveiling, we do it in Metro Manila. But now it will be different because we want it to be more interactive. We want it to bring closer to our customers. We want you to experience the greatness of our products. And you know, Samsung Forte is innovation, but we don't just innovate. We innovate to make sure that the lives of our fellow Filipino and our consumer better and convenient. As we look back, technology, as you remember, for example, air conditioning units, we have non-inverter to inverter for energy saving, right? And we have for refrigerator the direct cool, wherein there's a ice buildup on the fridge and now no frosts. And we also have the washing machine, wherein
Samsung, we're not just really about innovating things, we're about improving the lives of every Filipino and Ilonggos for the matter. And so, yeah, the bespoke AI lineup is really redefining what it means to live in a smart home. And AI already try to explore the products, try to navigate the features of the products that we have here today. But later on, after the program, please feel free to approach our brand ambassadors and try to ask more questions on why you should purchase these Samsung home appliances that we have here today. So specifically, we are promoting today the bespoke AI product. So before I proceed with the discussion of these features, allow me to highlight this technology that Samsung has developed to make sure that you're able to control all the devices that you have using your mobile phone. You can access your devices anytime, anywhere. So whether you're on vacation, whether you're in the office, you can always check your home appliances. So what is this technology? It's the Smart Things app. So how do you access the Smart Things app? So you can just download the app, and when you have a Samsung device, you can just scan the QR code. And immediately, your refrigerator, your washing machine, your microwave oven can be connected, and you can control it anytime. So let me cite a specific example. I'm not sure if some of you here are just like me. When I step out of the condo, sometimes I ask myself, did I turn off the aircon? So that's very important because it consumes energy. So what if you're already at the office and you realize that you were not able to turn off the aircon? So using the Smart Things app, you can turn it off. So it's very convenient and it will help you save energy. And time, because whether you're on vacation, you can also control your refrigerator. So aside from the Smart Things app, let me now proceed with the specific features of our refrigerator. So we have here the Family Hub. So there you will see the one with the big screen. So that's the Samsung Family Hub. So the Samsung Family Hub has the AI Smart Energy Mode. So how important is the Smart Energy Mode? So aside from this energy savings that digital inverter technology can offer, the AI Energy Mode allows you to have additional 10% energy savings. So that will be a good investment for all of you because after buying this product, imagine the amount of savings that you will have every month since you can also see to open the door. So if you're handling a lot of things, if you came from the grocery and you can't open the door, then you can just tell Bixby to open it for you. So it is very convenient for you when you have it. So some of you might be watching YouTube videos while cooking. So you watch cooking shows while in the kitchen. So you can use your refrigerator to watch those videos. And another feature of the refrigerator is that if you're watching Netflix in the living room and then your kid asks you to get water, even if you're in the kitchen, you can continue watching the movie that you're watching in Netflix because you can, that's the best cycle that I need for this specific item or clothes that I have. So with the bespoke AI washing machine, it has the feature of AI wash. So how can AI make it easier for you? Feature of the washing machine. Aside from that, it also has the AI Smart Energy. She will get microwave opens. So sino dito yung nagluluto? Wow, si Miss Rabia. Loves to cook. Yeah. So what's exciting about this product is it's an all-in-one smart oven. So what does this mean? You can grill, air fry, you can microwave, and it also offers an auto cook or quick cook function. So it can recommend a recipe for you. So that's how special the smart oven is. And what other competitors don't have is the ceramic inside. So let me focus more on the ceramic inside. Why is it important to have the ceramic inside the smart oven? Other brands don't have ceramic inside, therefore, it's prone to bacteria formation. If it's ceramic, like Samsung Smart Oven, it's 99.99% antibacterial. So sometimes when we heat food, sometimes you can't avoid that there are some leftovers in the microwave. So we're not sure if after wiping it off, it's bacteria-free. So here, in this ceramic inside feature, we are guaranteed that it is 99.99% antibacterial, and it's also scratch-resistant, and it's very easy to clean. There. So those are the features of refrigerator, Family Hub, the washing machine and smart all-in-one oven. So now let me call on Miss Sharon to discuss further the features of our air conditioner. So thank you very much. Great Samsung morning, everyone. That's how we greet from Samsung. Anyways, once again, I would like to welcome you all in the launching of our bespoke AI exclusive unveiling. As you have seen and discussed by Ms. Jen, our refrigerators and washing machine and smart ovens. So now I'm here to introduce to you our new product in air conditioners. Well, anyways, before anything else, have you ever noticed that our weather condition lately is very, very unpredictable? So sometimes it gets hot and hotter and hotter and hotter, but sometimes the rain, as in super rain. But even though our weather condition is very unpredictable, still, we need air conditioner in our homes. Diba? This one, you need an area that will meet our cooling needs in any application we desire. So whatever we want, so even though this weather condition lately, being comfortable and healthy during high humidity and rainy season. So our air conditioners, especially our wall-mounted and ceiling cassette models, are packaged with features that address consumer pain points. So we have these consumer pain points in energy consumption, in cooling, and convenience of control. This is made possible by our wind-free technology, which is a proprietary feature only found in Samsung air conditioner. This feature maintains a comfortable level of cold temperature without the unpleasant feeling of direct cold wind. So usually, in other brands, we experience na every time the wind na lumalabas sa aircon is directly napupunta sa ulo natin. So usually it makes us na-headache tayo, sometimes dito naman, so sasakit na naman yung mga katawan natin. So in Samsung, we have this wind-free technology, which is yung direct wind, hindi pwede natin yun, meron tayong wind-free, which is i-close yun, then it will, the coldness within the room, mag-spread siya. So that's our wind-free technology. And also, it can help us to save 55% of energy consumption in our commercial air conditioners and 77% savings in our wall-mounted or our split-type air conditioners. So now, I will be presenting to you our new models for air conditioners. I will start on our cassette models. So our cassette is at the back. Okay. So as you can see, we have the wind-free one-way cassette. Then we have the 360 cassette. And we have the four-way cassette. Okay. Our cassette models are all equipped with R32 eco-friendly refrigerant. Okay, what is this R32 eco-friendly refrigerant? This one is, even though we are using 24 hours or more than 24 hours using of aircon, well, we can say that we are protecting our environment because it doesn't affect our ozone layer. So that's the difference of the R32 eco-friendly refrigerant. Next, we have also the wind-free technology, which is our own technology. And as I explained a while ago, that you cannot experience any
direct cold wind, but you can experience the coolness of your room because of that technology. And also, well, since this is bespoke AI unveiling, it is SmartThings enabled. So you can control, as yun sinabi ni Jen, na sometimes we almost forgot because busy tayo, mga artista, mga vloggers. So sometimes we forgot na, oh my God, napatay ko yung aircon. So usually you can check it on your phone. We have this app na shown na. So yun, yeah, like that one. So pwede siya, you can turn it off or you want it na before you arrive sa bahay, you can turn it on para at least kasi syempre for the whole day patay siya. Then you can turn it on na para pagpasok nyo, lamig na ulit. Okay? Then, but sa mga tatlong yan sa likod, our weight-free one-way cassette, yung kinaibahan niya is it has a 135mm slim depth application. So as you can see, usually kasi if you gonna check at the back, medyo it is much more bulky. But in our one way, it's only 135mm. And also, it promotes a sleeker design on your roof because if you're using right now a split type or the wall mounted, makikita siya. So that one is it's very sleek and very aesthetic design. And next, for our 360 cassette, the difference of that is for the 360, the difference is it has a very innovative and very stylish design. It also promotes perfect even cooling. Kasi nga because of the holes. So yun, it can cool your room and evenly and quickly, and also is aesthetically made by Samsung for your homes, for your business, your offices. So yun, that 360 yun, ginagamit namin sa office. And lastly, it comes in 2.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and 6 horsepower. And lastly is the 4-way cassette. Well, the 4-way cassette naman, it reaches far corners of the room. So medyo yung the coverage of the coolness is almost 10 meters yung makakover niya sa kanyang, the coolness that can cover your room is 10 meters. And thanks to its big blades and its long wings. Also, the main feature of our 4-way cassette, it has a motion detect sensor. So, hindi siya yung, akala ko, the first time I heard about it is every time humove ako, dun magbubuga yung aircon, yung coolness. No, it's not pala. This feature pala enables customized airflow and energy-efficient operation. The model of our 4-way cassette also comes in 2.5, 4, 4.5, 5, and 6 horsepower. Okay. And lastly, so ito na, kasi I'm proud to introduce this one. And lastly, I would like to introduce to you our new window type compact inverter air conditioner. So we have this in the market right now. Currently, it is available in 1 and 1.5 horsepower. And this model promotes energy efficiency and can cool the room 15% faster than non-inverter aircon. So nakikita niyo naman, cools rooms efficiently and quickly. And also, it has a hydrophilic coated, which is, it makes the products durable. So, hindi siya yung madali na siyang ma-rust ba? Kasi usually, if we have a resort, so usually, yun, nag-rush siya. So, this one is hydrophilic layer, prevents na siya ng corrosion. Okay, so this is more durable, and it also in 10 years warranty yung compressor. Okay, so that's all for our air conditioner. I hope you will try to check on, especially our 360. And for our customers who already bought, thank you so much, Mom. And by the way, thank you once again, and kindly check on our products for you to be able to understand more what we are trying to unveil today. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Jenny and Miss Sharon. Wow, I already have so many thoughts about everything they discussed, but the first takeaway would really be the fact that our bespoke AI appliances is the new solution to our paranoia or paranoid tendencies at home, right? And like forgetting malipatan and turn off yung aircon, such as things like that. And then the other ones that really caught my attention is when Miss Jenny discussed the family hub section. It really reminded me so much of my parents' love. So a little storytelling lang, right? Because we're in the city of love after all. I suddenly remembered the fact that, you know how my mom and my dad, and it's my dad's birthday today, I guess that's the reason why I'm getting a bit sentimental. I would always remember them insisting to wash our school uniforms or our socks so that mag-ibandid nila ng super, right? And then afterwards, they would ask me or my siblings to hang out our clothes and stuff like that, because as little as we were, they always taught us the ways to be more responsible at home. And so having to know the fact that we have an AI washing machine that could do that, or that could have done that for my mom back in the day, so it was a much easier life for her, or for my parents, and for us, their children. It's just such an amazing technology that we already have today. And then another thing that caught my attention, since Camila mentioned that she also cooks, the kitchen is also my favorite place to be in our home, especially knowing the fact that Iloilo is known as a creative city of gastronomy declared by UNESCO. It's just so fun to think that we already have our AI refrigerator that can make our lives in the kitchen a lot more efficient, and so on and so forth. But I think the beauty among all of the things that I'm talking about right now is that there are also two main things about the bespoke AI appliances of Samsung that could really benefit all of us. Two things. First is, it's highly economical for all of us now. Economical because hindi na siya madugang sa konsumo ng atong kuryente, since it's very efficient on energy use. And the second one is, what was the first one? Economical, is what I said. Because again, hindi siya madugang sa kuryente consumption natin. And then the second one is that it's sustainable. It's sustainable because it helps save Mother Earth, with the lesser power usages and stuff like that. I mean, I'm really no expert when it comes to technology, but that's all that I picked up from Miss Jenny and Sharon. So thank you so much again for all of that wealth of knowledge. And so, returning to our program, you heard it, folks. That's the full rundown of all the exciting deals and promos exclusively available today for the Samsung Bespoke AI exclusive unveiling. So you can get up to 50% off on the flagship Bespoke AI Family Hub side-by-side refrigerator, like the one Miss Jenny mentioned that I really love, or like I'm thinking of getting for myself as well. And the 25 kilogram front-load combo washing machine, the one I'm getting for my mom. You can also be one of the lucky customers to bring home Galaxy devices. So not only are you getting to buy something that's really good for your homes, your businesses, you may also get the lucky chance to get giveaways from Samsung. And at this point, let's take a quick team photo pala. Let's take a quick team photo to commemorate today's special event. So we would like to invite the Samsung Electronic Philippines team back here on stage for a photo op. So maybe please call on the Samsung Digital Appliances team. Sir Ramon Medina, if he's present in the venue, our Head of Digital Appliances, Ramon Medina. Ms. Jenny Gonzaga, our Product Marketing Manager. Sir Jan Requilme, Regional Sales Head. Neymar Tan, Iloilo Branch Head. Sharon Lanreo, Iloilo Key Accounts Manager. Alright, so sad to announce, but also happy to know the fact that it's our time to party and explore all of our bespoke AI appliances by Samsung in the venue. So before we end the program and have I'll just move on to the last part of our program. Let's hear it again for the Samsung Electronics Philippines team. Again, a round of applause for our team for all the knowledge they've shared with us and their passion in driving sales here in Iloilo City. And a big thank you again to our incredible speakers for taking us through today's exciting journey. What an incredible day it has been, from witnessing the groundbreaking innovations of the bespoke AI refrigerators and washing machines to experiencing firsthand how Samsung is redefining smart living. Today, we've been truly transported into the future. And of course, a huge thank you for everyone for being here. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, it's a wrap. I don't know about you, but after seeing these bespoke AI appliances in action, I can definitely say that I need them in my life, especially the air dresser that I'll be specifically featuring in my content soon. You know, us beauty queens or influencers, we do outfits a lot, right? So this will make our lives easier, more of that later. And with Samsung Bespoke AI, you get to do less and live more. These aren't just refrigerators, washing machines, air conditioners, and smart ovens. They're actually personal assistants designed to make your life easier. But the excitement doesn't stop here. Now it's your turn to experience the magic of the Bespoke AI yourselves. So head on over to the different product display zones and see how these smart appliances bring AI-powered living to life. And of course, don't forget to capture the moment and tag Samsung in all of your posts. Take as many photos and videos of the bespoke AI appliances as you can. If you would use the hashtags, please do not forget the hashtags. They're hashtags bespoke AI and hashtag home living made simple. If you have any questions as well or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach our product marketing managers and representatives. They can also help with demos of the latest feature. Lastly, make sure to stick around because lunch will be served and we've prepared special souvenirs for you as well. So do stop by the souvenir area and take home a special keepsake to remember today's event. Everyone, it has been an absolute blast taking you on the journey into the future of connected living with Samsung Bespoke AI appliances. Alright, sorry, my apologies. There is more because we still have a very special closing remarks from Sir Neymar Tan. Miss Neymar Tan.
Great Samsung morning, everyone. Before we officially close, I just want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for being here today. We came together not just to demonstrate the features of our new bespoke AI lineup, but to a bespoke experience. One where you find the most suited product for your day-to-day needs. It is through you and this event that we really get to highlight the benefits of our bespoke AI. And emphasize that our technology isn't just tech spec, but more of driving the future of how easy and simple life can be. Aside from all the offers and beautiful guests, the most exciting part is having you here and witness all these products. So as a wrap-up, I hope you leave here not just with excitement for what you've seen, but a goal to make home living simpler for all our consumers through the power of bespoke AI. Please don't forget to scan the QR code and register for a chance to win a Galaxy Fit 3. Thank you once again, and we're so grateful to have you part of this journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ms. Neymar Tan, for everything that you've done in the industry here in Iloilo City. Thank you. And now everyone, it has been an absolute blast taking you on the journey into the future of connected living with Samsung's bespoke AI appliances. Once again, my name is Karen Nicole Picciol, and on behalf of Samsung, thank you for being a part of bespoke AI exclusive unveiling. Enjoy, everyone.
Naka-live. Sir, how can I open the refrigerator?
So as you can see po, gentle lighting po siya. So it doesn't really flash the light on you. Slowly, it gradually opens. Hi, Bixby. So when you look at it inside po, it's actually all around cooling. Instead of just focusing on one area, yung lamig niya, it's equally delivered to all levels.
Thank you.
So hindi masasayang yung cooling in just one area.
Thank you.
Naghiwa ka na, paano ba ito ulit? Meron tayo, gusto babasahin mo. Meron tayo audio mo, para hindi ka na mahirapan. Para papakinggan mo na lang, di ba? Habang naghiwa ka, ito pala yung gagawin ko. Magkasatay pa lang. May props naman. So, how to? Ito po yung ball, di ba? Favorite. How to?
Mix 1 TV's sweet chili sauce, 1 TV's honey, 1 TSV sesame oil, 1 TV's iron or dry sherry, 2 TV's soy sauce, and 2 TSV finely grated ginger in a small bowl, and pour over the salmon, so the fillets are completely covered. Bake for 10 minutes.
Regarding that, so medyo technical, I'll forward ito sa mga Filipino, sa mga South African. Tapos here, may mga step by step, kung i-guide, para pag may ginagawa kayo, hindi mo na siya mababasa. Kaya, mapakita mo na lang siya, man.
Meanwhile, cook the pak choy. Cut a slice across the base of 2 large pak choy,
For
so
example,
the
alam mo naman yung
separate.
student yung gusto ko lang mag-sound trip, para hindi boring while nagluluto ka. Meron tayong here mga Spotify. Kung meron kayong Wi-Fi, meron kayong account sa Spotify, palit mo lang ba? So, Spotify tayo, ma'am. Also, meron din tayong YouTube. Kung gusto mo din sa YouTube, ma'am, take it lang dito. Yes, ma'am, oo ka. Pwede ko yung